The Overcoming Fear workshops we've been doing have been super fun. You get a small group of supportive people together, talk about what is fear? How does it show up in your body? Get a chance to go around the circle and everyone share what it is that they're afraid of in the context of surfing. And it's been amazing to hear the similarities and also some of the differences. Something that's kind of surprised me is that people tend to be more afraid of what other people think of them in the water than actually like getting held under by a big wave or hit by their surfboard. So the chance to speak into that and be like, wow, like I feel the same way, like I'm not alone in this fear. Then going through a few different exercises to kind of work on how to manage those emotions when they come up for us. And then finally, like, let's talk about the practical aspects of like, we're all gonna go surfing together and this is the chance to rehearse some of those things. So it's been super fun and I'm really excited to do more of them.